Oh yeah, got some friends in town, Stephen Wilkie, Dan Wilkie. We fished with them last year out on the Missouri River, but came out here to enjoy their company for a little bit. Just do a little bit of multi-species fishing. We're just throwing out worms. I got a goldfish up there, but we've caught so many species here, and Stephen Wilkie's all about getting all the different types of species. Make sure you check him out. Big Fish Philosophy. I think he's on Instagram, and yeah, he's on TikTok. But yeah, check out Big Fish Philosophy. But we're trying to catch anything that bites. We got pallid sturgeon, shovel-nose sturgeon, drum, catfish, carp, all different types of carp. Buffalo. He caught a goldeye earlier. So really we catch anything. Alyssa caught a flathead last night, so it's just kind of a multi-species video. But let's get after it, see what we can catch.
He bit me.
There you go, about time.
Yeah.
This dangerous little guy.
Whoa, you see that?
Yeah. Northern water snake Stephen found. Pretty cool.
Hit him, hit him.
That's neat.
Hit him. Don't mess with the dang bell. It ain't going nowhere.
It's a catfish. It's a catfish.
Oh, that's a good looking catfish.
That's good eating size.
He jumped. He full on jumped.
It's just when you're fishing such shallow water like that.
Like this. Yeah, that was.
Get it! Drum.
Another one.
We got the carp queen and now we got the drum king.
You got drummer boy and carp queen.
Yeah. Another drum.
Hey.
That looks like a fish. Get a carp. Oh, that's something bigger. Oh, it's a buffalo. You got your net? You might need your net for that one. They are cool. I haven't caught one yet this year. You want me to try?
I've never caught one of these.
Got him. There you go. Heck yeah.
I've yet to catch one. That's
That's awesome.
barely.
I'm jealous.
I would take this over a sturgeon. Not over a pallet. But
You don't mind being on video, do you?
Nope.
Alright. That's cool.
in case it goes ham.
Yeah, they do.
Hit the ground real hard.
Actually,
That's awesome.
He's acting pretty docile right now.
That's awesome. Nice job. Nice fish.
So cool.
One fish after another. See, he's got his own nickname too. Drummer boy.
Where are you going? I'm going to drummer boy.
He hit pretty hard.
Yeah,
He
you did.
hit really hard. Another one.
Another one. Another one for the drummer boy.
Yeah, boy.
Oh man, are you serious? Stephen?
Like father, like son.
You're rubbing off on me.
Oh, look who decided to show up.
I saw Game and Parks this year.
Yeah, they had their airboat out.
They didn't even check you, Dad.
Yeah, they didn't even check us or anything. Yeah. Stick them in butter or something, yeah. I've heard that. Yeah, this thing's bigger. Grass carp. That'd be awesome.
but that's gonna be a good turtle.
Yeah, that would be a good turtle.
That is true. That is true.
That is the most.
That'd have to be a sea turtle.
A sea turtle.
He's staying low. I wonder if
He's going. It might be a cat.
that's what I'm thinking, to be honest with you.
Oh,
It'd be a
come on.
wild
Oh.
turtle.
Usually grass carp come to the surface by now.
Knocking the dust off that whole thing, sure.
How old's the fishing line?
Tighten your drag just a hair.
Oh, that's
Oh.
a big son of a something.
Son of a something.
Like I'm about ready to take my boots off if we gotta go swim
Come
out
on,
and get
here we
it.
go.
Because that was a
We have not met officially. But I like you.
yeah. Oh man.
That was fun.
Oh,
There he is.
I'm a poop monster. That was
I just want to know what it is.
I know.
Back your way.
It's light colored, like a carp, to be honest.
Yeah, I think it might be another
I'm
buffalo.
thinking it's-
Yeah, but that was
Buffalo or grass?
Dude, that would be so good. You catch 2 buffalo.
gosh. Come on, baby. Gosh. Like it's like
I'm not thinking.
Yeah, don't let that line hit you.
It's not flat, I'm sure, but I sure like it to be.
Or a,
It's a buffalo.
that's
dang, dude, look at you, freaking buffalo.
Pretty sure it's a buffalo.
oh,
Oh no, it's a common.
Wow.
that's a big comment. No.
It's just it's the way he's hooked.
Oh man.
Down.
There you go.
Okay, well that was freaking awesome though. Oh my gosh, that was freaking awesome.
Still a good fight.
That's a big freaking car.
Fight harder if you look at the text.
Oh my god.
Thanks.
Beautiful common carp.
That was-
You guys want to get a picture?
Is that your norm? You do that with this?
Yep.
Otherwise, it's going to get back in the water.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Very nice fish. 2 good fights you've had now.
Second fish of the year.
Bye, bud. Very nice fish. Well, it was nice meeting you.
Jeremy, it was a pleasure
Yeah.
to meet you. Thanks. I appreciate it.
Yeah, nice fish.
All right.
Yeah. Have a good night. Taco spot. Tacos.
I guess I'll call and ask around to see if someone's sent for the win. And we all got different highs, and no one likes to wait. No patience. It's a death dance.
Drummer boy.
We ain't got nothing to lose.
Ah, I was right.
That's different. I'm like that.
You got it right.
Yes,
I'm like that hit pretty hard though.
Oh, he had one hit even harder earlier.
One for the road.
I think the one for the road that Uncle Dallas hit earlier was a little better.
Fair hook or not, yeah.
Yeah.
How do you feel? How was your Omaha trip? How was
Pretty
your
good.
this side? How was your this side of the state trip?
It's good. No sturgeon
No
for me,
sturgeon.
but
Drummer boys.
Dan got his first sturgeon.
Yes. Got 2 sturgeon
Yeah.
last night.
Yep.
Hey.
Say Stephen did tag out on a 9-pound catfish.
I mean that's
Yeah.
good. That's
caught a couple
good.
beast crappie.
And
Okay, that's pretty cool.
Uncle
yeah.
Dallas kicked our butt
Yeah,
today.
dude, he got a
Yeah.
Those were
So,
impressive.
that was very
What
cool. That
fun
smallmouth was
fights
awesome.
those
Well,
were.
yeah.
Oh, cool.
Make sure you check out Stephen at Big Fish Philosophy. Is that what it's called?
BigFishPhilosophy.Wilkie.
So, and Dan Wilkie, good
Awesome,
friend of ours.
awesome
I
footage
appreciate
and
them
awesome,
both.
awesome pictures.
Awesome guys. But we'll definitely be fishing with them again more this year. So, y'all, thanks for hanging with us.
Yeah.
Stay wicked.
Ball.
Ball. I put it on 0.5.
We ain't got nothing to lose. Staring up is what we do.
Oh yeah.